Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 5 chapter matrix exercise 1 and this is our question number 26. So let's look at the question. So question tells us that A and B are symmetric matrix and we have to show that AB is symmetric. Okay. So let's look at how to approach such a question. So सबसे पहले we look at what is given to us, the data that is given to us. It is told to us that A and B are symmetric. That means A dash is equal to A, matlab transpose as A is equal to the matrix itself, and B transpose is equal to B. So this is according to what is given to us, symmetry, the definition. And we have to show that AB is also symmetric. How do we proceed with such a question? We assume that another matrix C is equal to AB. So once we assume this, then to prove whether something is symmetric or skew symmetric, what we do is we take transpose both sides. So in this case, we take transpose both sides. So C dash is equal to AB, simply going by the process. Now, if you look at this side, the RHS side, we will just follow the rules. We know that when we take transpose, the order gets reversed. So it is B dash, A dash. Now, from the definition, we know that B dash is B and A dash is A. That means C dash is equal to B into A. And what is C? C is A. Now, the question doesn't seem to be fully complete here because for C to be symmetric, both of these have to be equal. And we know from our matrix understanding that A into B is not same as B into A. So, this is symmetric only if A into B is equal to B into. Okay. Thank you.